Videoing. There's Zeke. Get him to go run around and stuff. So see his magnificence. He's got a head on him like he's got a monster head on him. Wait till you see him. He's not even 2 years old yet. Wait until you see him when he's 4. He is going to be so magnificent. Yeah, we had a girl out here in heat earlier, so just thinking about other things. Our little boy. You can just keep thinking about that.
Kisses.
Just gotta get a little drink of water first. Just a little drinky of water. How red he is. He's got beautiful color. Oh, he's a good leg lifter too. Zeke! Goofball. He's a goofball. He's got such a great personality. Huh? Shatzala? And he's off. And around in a circle. He's like, other dogs have been walking up here. What's going on with that? He's like, hell, I was loose in San Antonio for 2 months. I know how to, I climbed over all kinds of bridges. Right, baby? Yes, you did. You're a hero. You saved 3 puppies, and you saved the house from being on fire with the 3 kids and the mama. Where are you? Zeke! Shh. Zeke! Here! He smells something. He's got a good sniffer on him. Are you coming over here or what? Come here. Kommst du hier, Mann? Mein kleiner Schatzer? Du warst so ein schöner Bubsche, huh? This is a dog you just cannot help but falling in love with him. Look at them teeth. He's gorgeous. He is so orange. You blowing your baby coat now? Your coat ready for the winter? Where's he going? More water. He wants you, not the ball. No, he just wants to run around and have fun. Zeke! Zeke, wo bist denn du? Kommst du mal zu Mama? Zeke! Zeke! Da ist er doch, mein Schatzler. Ja, okay. Langsam. Geht's ein bisschen langsam, mein Schatzler? He is so beautiful. He's happy. His name could be like Happy. You should play the song, I'm So Happy, when you're around him, because that's him. He's always happy. This dog has been through hell and back, and he's just happy. His disposition never stopped.
Always has that positive.
Always, he's got such a great, optimistic. If I could find a man like Zeke, I would have got married to him. He's jolly. He's a jolly old fella. And he's not even 2 years old yet. Wait till you see him when he's 4 or 2.5. Yeah, okay. Schatzele. It's fine. He wants to get up there maybe, huh? Maybe not. Gonna get up there? Zeke. Okay, stay next to him. Keep walking with him so he don't jump down. Yeah. So fine. Siehst du? He's like, please, are you kidding me? And he's off again. Back to the playhouse. Zeke! Oh, he's over there looking at, you know, he's looking at, he's talking to Picasso. He's back over by Picasso again. Zeke! Zeke! Nat! Hi, Baba. Na, mein Schatzele? Tust du hier was machen, ha? Ja, das ist dein Bruder. Da war das auf mein Schatzele. Das ist ja doch mein Schatzele. Gibt's Kussis? Gibt's die Kussis, huh? Do you give kisses? Give mal Kussela. Kuss. Oh my God. Oh.
Come on, Zeke.
Okay, okay. Yeah, okay, that was my fault. He just jumped on me and gave me big slobber kisses. Of course, I couldn't get that on the film. He's a lover. He's a fireman. He's a Pied Piper rescuing 3 puppies that he didn't even know weren't his kids. Took them with. They followed him because he was the one. His ear was just up a second ago. There's his ears up. Keep that ear up. Alf, go ahead, go over there with him.
Going up? Going up? Come here.
No. Up and down. He's a big boy, you know. Kommst du ins Macht nochmal? Ha? Oder gehst du ins Haus? Vielleicht geht er ins Haus. Ha? Willst du ins Haus? No. He's going to run around. Anyhow, that's Zeke.
Good.
This is Abigail. Alma, stand up. This is Alma. Alma. And this is Abigail. Anton? Anton. Anton. Come here, Anton. Come here, Anton. Ah, the goats. Anton. This is Anton. And Alma, stand up. And Abigail.